Hi year one, today we're going to do our PSHCE lesson and it's going to be about money, and all of our PSHCE lessons this week are going to be focusing on money and why it matters. So let's get started. So your LL, your learning ladybird, is going to be to explain the different forms that money comes in. And our successful spider is going to be I can discuss why we need money. I can talk about the different forms that money comes in, and I can explain why I might use each form of money. So, first question is, why do we need money? So there are lots of things that we need money for each and every day. So what I want you to do is I want you to talk to your adult that you might be sat next to, and I want you to think of all the things that we need money for. So if you've got some paper next to you, you can write a little list of what we need money for. So you can pause this video now and you can have a little think about that for me. Off you go. So you should have written a little list of the different things that we need money for. So what we're going to do now is we're going to look at the different forms that money comes in. So you can see from the screen that there are two different pictures here. So the first one are coins. So coins come in different values. So if we look at the screen, we've got a 1p here, we've got a 10p, a 20p, and this is the other side of the 20p as well. We've got £1 coin and a £2 coin. So you use coins to do different small amounts. So this might be buying a packet of crisps or something which isn't going to cost a lot of money. So you could just use coins for. And then down here we have our banknotes or notes. So again, these come in different values. So this blue colour here is the £5. The orange one is the 10, the purple one is £20, and then the red one is £50. So you use notes to buy more expensive things, or if you've got a big group of items that you've bought in a shop, you might use notes instead of the coins. So coins are small things, and then the notes you might use that something costs a bit more. Then we've got these two things here. So the purple one that you can see on the screen is a bank card. So adults normally have these cards and they're linked to their bank account. So you can use it for lots of different things, and you pop it in a little machine, and then you have to remember a special code, and it's got 4 numbers. So the adult will press the 4 numbers, and then it's called a PIN code, and that will be able to pay for those items. And then the blue one is something which is quite new, and this is called contactless. So again, it's small amounts, which is up to £45. So for example, if you go shopping to buy your food and your bill is less than £45, the adult can actually get their bank card, and on the little machine they just tap it, so they don't need to put that 4-number PIN code in. They just tap the screen and it pays for it that way. But if it goes over £45, so if it's £50, they'd have to put it in the machine and then press their PIN code in there to pay for the things. So that's another way of using money. So you've got your bank cards, and if it's under £45, you've got that contactless as well. And then you might think, that's a picture of a laptop, that's not money. There's something called an online transfer. So say you're paying a bill for a phone that you use, you can log on to your bank account on your laptop and you can transfer money. So that means if people are paying for their phone bill, they can put in the bank account details and they can transfer it over to the company that it needs to go to. Same if you're buying something from a friend, you might transfer the money to them and you have to log into your laptop, or now you can do it on your phone, and the money goes from your bank account all the way to a different bank account. And this is normally things which either cost a lot of money or is a bill like a mobile phone bill. So those are the different ways that people can pay for things. And money is very, very, very special, and you need to take good care of it. So there are some ways which you can keep your money safe. So the first one is our piggy bank. So you might have one of these at home when you get pocket money. So this is a safe place to keep coins and notes. So you can put your coin in your little piggy bank, and then you can save it for something special that you might want to buy. And mums and dads will have these. So there are wallets and purses. So say if you're going to the shops, you might pop your money or your card in your purse or your wallet and keep it safe when you're walking around. So you're not walking around with it in your hand, because that's not safe. Someone might be able to pinch it. So you keep it safe and hidden away. So that is all of our learning for our first topic on money. So what you've got in your little work pack is your sheet that looks like this. So what I want you to do is complete the what to buy activity sheet. So remember, on the back there are some little items that you might use or you might want to buy, and I want you to cut them out and put them with the right ones. So remember, if it's something small and doesn't cost a lot of money, you'd probably use the coins for it. If it's a little bit more expensive, you might use some notes. If it's even more expensive, you might use the card or the contactless payment. So remember, if it's under £45, you can use that quick contactless. And anything which is like a bill, or paying a bill for something like a phone bill, might be that transfer. Remember, where you log on your bank account and you send money from one account all the way to another. So I want you to complete that sheet for me now, and remember to take a picture of your work and send it to us via Seesaw so we can see how well you're getting on. So that's it for our first money lesson of the week, but we will be back with some more PSHCE later on in the week. Hope you have a lovely day, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye everyone.